Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today is Wednesday, January 6, 2021. I'm Miss French, the 7th grade counselor.
And I'm Mr. Jones, the 7th grade principal.
Don't forget to self-screen when you come into school. Do you have any of the following symptoms? A fever of 100.4 degrees or above, new or unexplained loss of taste or smell, new or uncontrolled cough, new or unexplained diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, or abdominal pain, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing, new or unexplained sore throat, new or unexplained fatigue, new or unexplained headache, especially with a fever, new or unexplained muscle pain or body ache. In the past 14 days, have you been in contact with someone who is lab confirmed for COVID-19? If you answered yes to any of the above questions, you cannot enter the building today. Okay, we're looking for the people who wore their best mask, silliest mask, face mask bling, coolest mask. Send your nominations to Miss Cedillo at hcedillo@pasadenaisd.org. If you have any library books that are overdue, please turn them in. And before we do finish off, Mr. Jones has a couple of things to say.
All right, we got a few things we need to go over today. One of the first ones is phones. One of the big changes from last year to this year is at lunch, we are letting you guys use your phones. We're letting you get on whatever, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you're able to get on here with your phone at lunch. We're letting you do. We're not letting you do any phone calls or any Facebook Lives or anything like that, but we are letting you use your phone in the cafeteria. Now, when it comes to the classroom, when it comes to DIY, when it comes to the hallways, we are not going to be allowed to be on our phones. If teachers see you with your phones, they are entitled to take up your phone. And if it's not your first time, you might end up paying $15 and have to wait till Friday to get it back. So big thing this semester is phones. Another thing is dress code. Towards the end of the semester, last semester, we had a problem with hoods, hats, and do-rags. Guys, you can wear them up to the school, but once you get here, they need to come off. Once you're in the building, we are not going to have any hoods, any hats, or any do-rags. We might have hats every once in a while for special days. This all ties into behavior expectations. We have a lot more kids here on campus this semester, so all the unnecessary touching, crowding in groups, horseplay, things like that in the hallways it's not going to be tolerated, guys. We got way too many people here on campus to be doing those types of things. So behavior is going to be a big thing this semester as well. Also, attendance. Some of you guys might be watching these announcements right now, sitting at home, and you got a letter this past Christmas, right before Christmas, that said you needed to come back to school face-to-face. So your teachers are going to be counting you absent if you are supposed to be here and you are not. They're still going to let you get online and do your work and finish your work, but they are not going to be counting you present. If you were required to come back to campus, you need to be here. And also, you face-to-face kids, if you ever miss school, you are not going to be able to be counted present if you log on at home. Now, you can still keep up with your work by logging in and doing your assignments and getting on the Zoom so you don't miss out on that content. But we are not going to be able to count you present if you were labeled as a face-to-face kid. Those are some of the big changes this semester. Look forward to seeing you guys sometime today. When you see me, my name is Mr. Jones, and this was Mrs. French that helped us out just a second ago. If you see us, say hello in the hallway, and we look forward to seeing you. Have a good day.